It's the creator of the entertainer of all ages again. And this time, I will demonstrate you about this touch screen control panel. You see? Oh, someone has touched the panel, the control panel. It's over there between the beds. But never mind, I will demonstrate you here. First of all, it's a touch screen, and you don't have to even touch the screen to activate it. You wake it up by moving your fingers close to the screen. Whoosh! You see these three lines shines the stronger than this line, the bar line. And now I will show you what happens if I touch the bar light. It shines weaker than the rest, and it means the bar hasn't have its lights turned on yet. Let's go. Whoa! See the magic? Once again, here, this way. None of the lights are lit up yet. I mean, none of the lights have been shining strongly, like these three. So let's turn on the hallway. And so you see the hallway shining brightly. There. Here. We have do not disturb and makeup room. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.